Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Jacobs. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, and I'm the inventor of advanced soft tissue release ASTR specialty. I'm also a cancer survivor, and I used to suffer from chronic migraines, headaches, pain, and fatigue before I invented ASTR specialty. Right, Nicholas, tell me what is going on with your neck. What happened?
Well, I was in a car accident when I was 16 and I rolled a car at
How many years ago?
16 years ago.
16 years ago. So 16 years ago, you were in a car accident. What happened? How did you?
I was going 110 miles an hour and I
Oh.
lost control of the vehicle,
Yeah.
rolled 4.5 times.
Oh,
And
you
woke-
rolled.
Yep. I woke up outside the car, halfway in the car in a farmer's field.
Uh-huh.
My head was laying on the row and the roof was on my back, on my neck.
So
and
the
my-
car it's flipped and your head is down and the roof is just
sitting right here on top of me.
on that area.
Yes.
So you were sideways.
Yes.
Okay. And what happened? Oh, you survived, man.
Luckily,
Yeah.
I slid right out of it,
Oh my goodness.
walked my way home.
You're lucky. Yeah.
I know I'm lucky.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have a good guardian angel, so.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Mhm.
So after that accident, what's going on with your neck?
Well, I've had like a neck, like a clicking problem on the left side. It's
Mhm.
always kind of clicked, and I've always kind of like adjusted it myself.
Okay.
But I realize there's a lot like scar tissue buildup on the left
Mhm.
side, and it just pulls all the time. So that's what causes a lot of pain.
How much pain do you feel there from 0 to 10? 10 is the emergency room.
6, 7.
6, 7.
Yes.
Is that constant pain or comes and goes?
For the most part, like it's around 90% of the time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What aggravates your symptoms?
Just probably sleeping on it funny, just
Mm,
everyday life basically.
yeah, just moving around and make it worse. Okay. So in the last 16 years, did you have any treatment for your neck? What did you have?
I've had chiropractic care,
Okay.
massage therapy.
Okay.
I've gone to Spine Zone, which is
Okay.
a more intense physical therapy.
Uh-huh.
I've done regular physical therapy.
Okay. So you tried it all.
All kinds of things.
Do you get headaches?
Not really.
Okay. Where do you feel the pain exactly?
Right here in this part of my neck, and then on my trap right here.
And you said how much is now?
Around the 6 part, around a 6, true.
Around 6. Okay. So I want to see your range of motion. So turn your to the left and right. Just remember how far you can turn. And tell me which motion aggravates your symptoms.
This is fine on that side.
Mm-hmm.
That hurts.
That's limited.
That
How much
hurts.
from 0 to 10?
If I
You're actually
keep-
compensating by bringing this up. There you go.
If I keep going, it's probably like
Mm-hmm.
we can get up to 7, 8.
Okay. And extend. Okay, it's a little bit tight. You're not bad. Bend forward. Okay.
It hurts right there.
How much? And where?
Just like a 6.
Where?
Right here.
So it's all your pain in here?
Yes.
Or in here?
I think it's more so in here for this area,
Mm-hmm.
but then there's also this area.
Okay. And let's do a side bend, left and right. And the other side. It's a little bit tight.
That's super tight. That's all I got.
Yeah. Okay. Any pain with that, or just the rotation and?
There's a minor pain on the inside right there.
Okay.
On this side, there is not really any pain.
Okay. Is it okay to take your shirt off?
Yep.
Is that where you feel it here?
Around there, and then a little bit lower.
Make sure that's not painful. Okay.
That's the spot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Feel that?
Mhm.
Bring this in here too.
Yes. Yeah.
Man, you're lucky after that accident. You know, it's a miracle actually.
Definitely blessed.
Yeah, it's a blessing. Did you lose conscious, or you just
I was knocked out for just a few seconds, maybe a minute.
and you just
Woke up and I was like, oh, I guess I'm in a field.
I think, I guess it's time to go.
Yep.
Okay, and, oh, that's not bad. You feel that scar tissue? Look up nice and tall. Okay. Mhm. Feel that?
Yeah.
So this is a spot. Do you have any issue in your scapula?
A little bit. More so right there.
Hmm?
Most of it comes from more of the center, though.
The center here, sorry.
Yeah.
So the car hit you here, and you hit the ground with
Around here, the car probably hit me more a little further down, more on the right here.
Do you remember any like really bad bruises you had after this accident?
Just the bruising right over here.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Not so much on the neck or anything.
Okay.
Mostly, they're just cuts and stuff.
Okay, is it okay to work on the head? Yes?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Is it too much?
No, no. Actually feels good right there.
Okay. Now I'm not trying to pull his neck, okay? I'm gonna keep it for him today. Alright. Is it too much?
No,
Okay.
I actually think that feels good.
Yeah, that's good. Feel that? Mhm. What happened here?
On the top,
Mm-hmm.
scar tissue or no?
Yes.
Some kid threw a knife at my head when I was little.
Through what?
A kitchen knife at my head when I was little.
Oh my
I
goodness.
told him he wasn't gonna do it, and he whipped it right at my head.
Oh my gosh. Yeah,
Yeah.
man, you have a crazy friends.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my.
Not so much my friend, but yeah, he was my friend at the time.
Oh my goodness. So you had stitches?
No, I let it heal. We didn't get stitches on it at all. I hid it from my mom.
So did it open or
it was
just...
open. It was just like a long line across.
Oh man. Wow. Any other incidents or traumas you've had?
I'm sure there's a lot of something along the way. I was a pretty tough kid growing up, so
Oh man. You really beat your body.
yeah. But I didn't really get beat up from dirt bikes too bad, so that's good.
Well, yeah, dirt bike is actually can really,
A lot of my friends
Yeah,
really
bad
got
accident.
injured from the dirt bikes.
yeah, there's a lot of risk with that. See a lot of patients from accidents from dirt bike. Okay. Okay. All right, let's turn your head and tell me how that feels, left and right.
Right, it's really loose. Left, I mean, I'm not really feeling the pain as much.
Mm-hmm. Is
Really
it
not
gone
much.
or you still feel pain?
It's not gone, but it's better. That's
How
for
much
sure.
and where do you feel it?
It's down in here, deep down in here, but it's like,
How much from 0 to 10?
honestly,
Mm-hmm.
probably like a 3. Yeah,
Right
but-
in here.
Yep.
Okay. Right in here.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
That's way better than it was.
Mm-hmm. Okay, try it again. What's that?
Seems like I'm turning back
You're
farther.
turning further now. Any pain or it's gone?
I don't really feel the pain. There's tightness, but I don't really feel the pain. There's a
Mhm.
little minor tightness right here,
Mm-hmm.
this spot, but other than that, I don't really feel the pain.
Well, tightness is gonna get that looser. My concern now it's the European, and as long as you get range of motion, you can take a few sessions to really get tightness totally down. But we can get some of it now here.
I fully believe you. I'm surprised.
Mm-hmm.
I'm surprised that it worked that well that quick right there.
Yeah, it's good. Well, that's the goal. My goal is to get patient better very quickly. Yeah, usually the first treatment, that's my goal, to get them better. Okay, so turn again. Tell me how it feels.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it's, we'll have you stand up. I'll just turn your chair.
Okay.
Okay, so you can turn it left and right. So turn your head left and right. How's that? Oh, that's much further actually.
I don't really raise my shoulders much
No,
either.
you're not compensating. Yeah, let's extend back. Side bend left and right. How's that?
Still a little bit more tight, little tightness this way,
But do you
but
feel
not like
pain?
right there. I do.
How much?
Like a 2, 3.
Where?
It's like somewhere like, it's somewhere in here, this area.
Okay.
Let me
Right. So that's the only range of motion you have issue with.
see. Yep.
Okay. Can you do me a favor?
Yep.
Squeeze your shoulders plate together. No, the other way.
Oops, my bad.
And relax it. Go, shrug your shoulders. Shrug it. Up, 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 up. And you let it sit down. Let's try it again. How's that? It's good range of motion. And let's do the side bend left and right.
Let's do this way first. It's better, but there's still a little something there, but it is getting better.
How much and where?
It's like right up in here, like somewhere right a little above that area.
How much from 0 to 10?
I'd say 2, 2, 3. You push on it though, I definitely feel
Is it more or?
there's definitely something that causes a lot of pain right there, but it's okay.
Sorry.
No, it's okay.
You want to cause pain? Okay. Now we'll just work on here. All right.
I mean, it's not super bad pain.
Okay. Try it again. You definitely get more range of motion.
I do got more range of motion, I will say that.
Yeah, extend and flex. How's that? It's beautiful. It's good.
It doesn't even hurt as much going that way, because I was feeling minor pain the first couple times. I do feel it a little bit
Where?
with this one when I go forward.
How much? And where?
It's actually probably the spot that also causes it when I go this way.
Okay.
Let's see.
Right in here. Okay.
A little higher up though.
Relax. Relax. I find it. Okay. All right. Let's scoot forward a little bit.
Okay.
Man, you're really tight.
I know.
Mm-hmm. Make me work out here. Okay, try it. What's that? You're really moving
Not
fast.
really much pain.
Uh-huh.
There's still a little there, but it's way better than before.
Uh-huh. How much?
Maybe 1, 2.
Okay. Side bend left and right.
Well, I can turn way Okay, further.
Yeah, that's your max actually.
Yeah.
Don't turn more than that, okay?
Okay.
It's not safe. Oh, you bending further now. How's that?
Better.
Mm-hmm. Any pain?
It's there, but maybe it's a 1 now. I really have to. There it is. I feel it when I go like this way.
But you're going further actually, more range of motion.
Right.
In that area?
Yeah, it's more to the left side. It's like right somewhere around this area.
Okay. Nice and tall. Okay, try it again. I really like your range of motion so far. You're really going.
I mean, it's kind of there, but it's not there. It's going away. But it's also, I think it could be from when I went to Spine Zone. There's an exercise you do where it's side to side and front to back, and I usually do it with 138 pounds.
Yeah,
That's what
I will not do that weight.
But I built it up to that over the years. But see, I didn't go there for a while, and so I feel like when I extended too far the other day, it like popped something right here.
Oh, okay.
And that's where I'm getting the minor
I
pain
really
from it.
do not recommend that heavy weight on the neck. That's wear and tear. That's
It's
too
just way
much.
too much.
Too much
Okay.
weight. Yeah. So side bend, left and right, and tell me how that feel.
Left and right is good.
Mm-hmm.
This right side is good. Left side,
Mm-hmm.
there's still a little something in there, but we're getting better.
Pain or tightness?
It's minor pain, a little bit of tightness.
0
yeah.
to 10.
It's probably 1.
One?
Yeah,
Not
it's,
bad.
it's
Yeah.
totally.
Feel free to subscribe to my channel to get helpful tips on how to relieve pain. And if you are a healthcare provider and interested to be ASTR certified, you can follow the link below. You will get information on how to register for ASTR online class. There's over 40 studies that support ASTR treatment model, and also there's over 400 studies that utilize by ASTR treatment. And feel free to check over 220 videos that most of them actually real treatment videos. We'll see you soon.